Thank you for joining the Weekly Dose of Emuna, a short audio to inject Emuna into our Shabbat. So this week we're going to talk about the idea of the gift of Shabbos and how to reach our full potential, and seeing it that we reach our full potential really when we do and we are able to attain that level, it is actually a divine gift. And we learn this by reviewing the Zohar Kadosh, where it states actually in the Zohar Kadosh that there is a connection between Noach and Shabbat. And there's a verse in the Zohar Kadosh, and it says, Et ha'elokim hitalech Noach. Noach walked with Hashem. What does that mean? It means that by virtue of Hashem's active divine assistance, Noach was able to reach his potential because, as it states here, Noach walked with God, and by walking with God, he was able to actually V'Noach motza chen be'enei Hashem. Noach found favor in Hashem's eyes. So when he walked with Hashem, when he was receiving Hashem's siyata dishmaya, divine assistance, he was actually reaching his fullest potential, and he was blessed and accepted in favor by Hashem. So we see here that Shabbat itself holds within it the ability to receive siyata dishmaya. That's really the bottom line here, is we learn from this verse in the Zohar that to whatever it is, that however hard we try during the 6 days of the work week, we cannot reach our full potential without the beautiful raining and showering of Hashem's siyata dishmaya upon us. And that's very, very important for us, especially in order to make sure that our egos are intact. Another place where we get to understand the whole idea of a matana, of a gift, is when we learn about the whole idea of the Be'er Miriam, the well springs of Miriam, Miriam Haniviyah. And it's actually written in Avot, Masechet Avot, Umi Midbar Matana. The Torah is referred to in Masechet Avot as a matana. Okay? In connection to the Be'er Mayim, the gift of water from Miriam is actually the gift of Torah. Water meaning the water of the Torah. And so what we see here also is that the whole idea of Torah in itself, the learning of Torah, is a matana. It's a gift that no matter how much we try to learn Torah and understand Torah, it's a divine grant of Torah that is given to those who try. They first, of course, it's always incumbent upon us to try, and then the actual outcome and how much we retain and how much we understand is certainly a divine gift. And the most opportune time to learn Torah is certainly on Shabbat Kodesh. And why? Because the day in itself, Shabbat in itself, is described as a matana tova, a great divine gift. And so what we see here is that when we learn Torah, yes, it's a gift for all those who try, but on Shabbat Kodesh, tying it back to what we began this short lesson with, is that Noach taught us through the fact that he reached his full potential. We are able to reach our full potential of Torah knowledge, dafka, particularly on Shabbat Kodesh, because that is when we are showered with the divine gift and siyata dishmaya from Hashem on Shabbat Kodesh. One last point to leave off is that also the avoda of the Beis HaMikdash by the Kohen HaGadol is described as avodat matana, a service that is a divine gift, as written in Parashat Bamidbar. So what does it mean? That even the divine, the beautiful avoda, the special, auspicious, holy avoda of the Kohen HaGadol, and his ability to enter into the Holy of Holies, and to be a Be'ezrat Hashem, a good shaliach for Klal Yisrael, all of that is entirely due to the gift from Hashem. That everything is a gift from Hashem. So Be'ezrat Hashem, this Shabbat Kodesh, we should remember, Lo magia li klum, I'm not deserving of anything. Everything that I have is a gift, a true gift from Hashem. I do the work. I do my hishtadlus, but at the end of the day, it's the bracha of Hashem that seals the envelope shut and helps us to retain and make use of all that we learn to apply it into our everyday lives. So let's remember that. Be'ezrat Hashem, this Shabbat Kodesh, it's all a gift. Have a great Shabbat.